Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to start a Chevy Equinox with a dead key fob. Hold the key blade or the fob itself against the start button, press the brake, and push the button while keeping the fob in contact. This forces the car to read the transponder even with a dead battery. Keep the process calm, try once more if needed, and replace the fob battery as soon as possible. Begin by removing the metal key blade from the fob and positioning it or the fob face against the start button. Press and hold the brake pedal, then press the start button while maintaining contact for a couple of seconds. The vehicle should detect the transponder signal and crank as normal. If the car does not start, wait a moment and try again, and always have a fresh fob battery on hand for peace of mind. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for waiting in a roadside situation because you can read anywhere and it lasts for weeks on a single charge. It is lightweight and easy to stash in a glove box. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the initial attempt fails, adjust the position and press more firmly against the start button, then try again with the brake engaged. Confirm the fob battery is not completely dead by checking LED or replacing the battery. If problems persist, use the physical key to unlock and consult the owner manual for model-specific emergency, start steps, or a dealer if necessary. Staying calm and methodical avoids extra stress in roadside situations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.